नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया एक्सप्रेस न्यूज चैनल में शालिनी। आप सभी को नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूं। आप सभी का दिन मंगलमय हो। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आसपास की कुछ खास खबरों के साथ। दोस्तों, अगर आप सभी को इस चैनल पर खबर अच्छी लगी तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर जरूर करें।
The General Insurance Employees All India Association (GIEAIA) gives a clarion call to employees, officers, retirees, pensioners, agents, and all stakeholders of the public sector general insurance companies (PSGICs) to intensify the agitation against 100% FDIN privatization. The association also expresses its solidarity with the nationwide strike called by central trade unions and federations on the 9th of July 2025. GIA appeals to all sections of employees, retirees, and stakeholders to come forward to safeguard and strengthen the PSGICs, which are handling business worth around 1.5 lakh rupees crores annually, and to support the legitimate demands of employees, officers, retirees, and pensioners. As part of its ongoing efforts, GIEAIA leadership recently undertook an extensive tour of western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Uttarakhand, where it submitted a detailed memorandum to Shri Harinder Singh Malik, Member of Parliament and member of the Parliamentary Committee on Finance. The memorandum raised critical issues including inordinate delay in wage revision, merger and consolidation of PSGICs, adequate recruitment to address staff shortage, uniform family pension at 30%, employers' contribution to NPS at 14%, among other vital concerns. GIA emphasized that the government's ambitious goal of insurance for all by 2047 can only be achieved if PSGICs are merged and strengthened. The association strongly expressed its displeasure at the delay in resolving long-pending demands such as wage revision at par with LIC, 14% employers' contribution to NPS, family pension enhancement to 30%. Despite facing severe manpower shortages and challenging work conditions, employees of PSGICs continue to drive significant growth. The companies are disbursing dividends in thousands of crores to the government, have been successfully implementing key social welfare schemes like Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, and others, have outperformed private insurers with a growth rate of 18.74% in April 2025, nearly double that of private players, 10.90%. As of April 2025, PSGICs are maintaining a strong market share of 1.60%, close to that of all private insurers, 1.70%. The association highlighted the urgent need for wage revision, which has already been concluded in the banking sector, LIC, and other financial institutions, while over 20,000 posts across Class 1, 2, and 3 cadres remain vacant in PSGICs. The GIEAIA strongly reaffirms its solidarity with the central trade unions and independent federations participating in the nationwide strike on the 9th of July 2025, which is being organized against the anti-worker, anti-public sector, and anti-people policies of the government. The association demands immediate withdrawal of the labor codes, reversal of privatization of PSUs, and settlement of the justified demands of the Indian working class. This information was given to our correspondent by Trilok Singh, General Secretary, GIEAIA, and Darshan Kumar Wadhwa, Secretary General, GIEAIA, Class 1 Wing.